When building data pipelines, one of the key decisions to make is whether the pipeline would be batch or real time. We start with batch processing. In batch processing, we process data in batches. A batch is a collection of records with a well defined size or window. We can either define batch sizes by the count of records or by a date time range. In batch processing, the batch of input records is already ready and complete. This input does not change when processing is going on. This is a key differentiator between batch and real time processing. Batch processing works on bounded data sets. The number of records in the batch do not change after the processing has started. Since batch processing usually waits for all the input from that batch to be ready, there is latency when beginning processing. Also, it may take some time to process all the records. The results of processing are usually available at the end of processing, but intermediate results can also be possible. Batch processing is simpler to implement. Since the input is constant, reprocessing would generate the same output all the time. How is real time processing different? Real time processing or stream processing works on input data as it is created at the source. It does not wait for the batch of records to build up, rather, it processes one record at a time. As processing is going on, the input data may change while processing. Stream processing should account for such changes and reprocess when needed. Change data capture is a key pattern used in these cases. Real time processing usually works on unbounded datasets. When processing starts, the total number of records to be processed is not known. Processing needs to consider this and compute metrics accordingly. In real time processing use cases, there are low latency requirements. The insights need to be derived within seconds of receiving the source data records. Not all use cases can qualify for real time processing. State management becomes an important consideration in real time when entity states or running summaries need to be kept track.